Dear students, today we shall discuss about Unit 1 Vital Statistics continued. In the previous class, we have discussed about fertility and its measures. Fertility refers to number of labors occurring to women of childbearing age, whereas fertility rate refers to number of labors occurring to 1000 women of childbearing age. ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ 15ರಿಂದ 49 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಬೇರಿಂಗ್ ಏಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಬೇರಿಂಗ್ ಏಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಜನಿಸುವಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಬೇರಿಂಗ್ ಏಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿ 1000 ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಜನಿಸುವಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ರೇಟ್ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. There are 4 fertility rates or 4 measures of fertility, or there are 4 fertility measures. We know those fertility measures. They are number 1 CBR, number 2 GFR, number 3 ASFR, number 4 TFR. I repeat them: CBR, GFR, ASFR, TFR. Their full names are crude birth rate, general fertility rate, age specific fertility rate, total fertility rate. Let us recall the formulas. CBR is equal to B divided by P into 1000. B means total births, P means total population into 1000. GFR is equal to B divided by summation FP 15 to 49 into 1000. B means total births. Summation FP 15 to 49 means total female population in the age group 15 to 49 into 1000. ASFR is equal to BX divided by FPX into 1000. BX means number of labors in the specific age group X. FPX means female population in the specific age group X into 1000. TFR is equal to 5 sigma quinquennial ASFRS. Now let us work out some problems on these measures of fertility. Example number 1. The average population of a town in a year was 1,50,000. In the year, 6,000 labors occurred in the town. Find CBR. Solution: we have to calculate CBR. CBR formula: CBR is equal to B by P into 1000. So we require total births, total population. You see, in the problem, what are the given quantities? The average population of a town in a year was 1,50,000. That means total population. P is equal to 1,50,000. In the year, 6,000 labors occurred means total births occurred. B is equal to 6,000. Now formula: CBR is equal to B by P into 1000. That is equal to 6,000 divided by 1,50,000 into 1000. So we shall simplify this one by using the calculator. 6,000 into 1000 divided by 1,50,000 is equal to 40. This is the answer. Now example number 2. In a year, the average population of a town was 1,83,450. The number of laborers occurred in that year in the town was 5,400. Find CBR. So what is the formula for CBR? CBR is equal to B divided by P into 1000. We require total births, total population. We have to identify this data in the problem. In the year, the average population of a town was 1,83,450 means it is P, total population or average population 1,83,450. The number of laborers occurred in that year in the town was 5,400 means it is the total births occurred in the town B, 5,400. So these two are the given data. So next formula, CBR is equal to B by P into 1000. Let us substitute 5,400 divided by 1,83,450 into 1000. That is equal to, if we simplify, 5,400 into 1000 divided by 183,450 is equal to 29.4358. That is equal to 29.44. Now example number 3. In a year, the CBR for a population of 2 lakh is 40. Find the number of births. Here CBR is given, population is given. What if we have to calculate number of births? We have to calculate B. So given. So in a year, the CBR for a population of 2 lakh means capital P is equal to 2 lakh. It's CBR. It is given CBR is equal to 40. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate B. B is equal to question mark. So the same formula we have to use. CBR is equal to B by P into 1000. Here CBR is given 40 is equal to B divided by 2 lakh into 1000 by cross multiplication. 1000B is equal to 40 into 2 lakh. So 1000B is equal to 40 into 2 lakh. Therefore B is equal to 40 into 2 lakh divided by 1000. Using the calculator, if you simplify, you will get 8,000. B is equal to 8,000. Now let me go to the fourth example. From the following data, calculate CBR. Age group, 4 columns are given. Age group, male population, female population, births. So age group 0 to 4, 15 to 24, 25 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 79, 80 and above. So in these age groups, the corresponding male population and female populations are given. Male population 46,000, 34,000, 39,000, 30,000, 27,000, 3,000. Female population 43,000, 35,000, 38,000, 28,000, 26,000, 4,000. Number of laborers dash 3,846, 3,893, 674 dash dash. We have to calculate CBR. So for the calculation of CBR, we require total population and total births. Now to get the total population, here we have to add male population and female population. Afterwards, to get the total population, we have to add male population and female population. So by adding male population column, 46,000 plus 34,000 plus 39,000 plus 30,000 plus 27,000 plus 3,000 is equal to 1,79,000 male population. 1,79,000. Similarly, let us add third column 43,000 plus 35,000 plus 38,000 plus 28,000 plus 26,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 1,74,000. This is the total female population. This is the total male population. So to get total births, we have to add the fourth column 3846 plus 3893 plus 674 is equal to 8413. This is the total births. So total male population, total female population. To get the full population, total population, so total population is equal to male population plus female population. We have to add these two values. So 1,79,000 plus 1,74,000. If we add these two totals, 179,000 plus 174,000 is equal to 3,53,000. We get total population. So we got two values, total population and total births. Now the formula CBR is equal to B by P into 1000, that is equal to 8413 divided by 3,53,000 into 1000. We shall simplify. 8413 into 1000 divided by 3,53,000 is equal to 23.83. Answer CBR 23.83. Now let me go to the fifth problem. Calculate CBR for the following data. Three columns are given: age group, population, number of live births. Age group 0 to 20, 20 to 35, 35 and above. Population 6,000, 80,000, 60,000. Number of live births 500, 2,500, 2,000. So we have to add population second column and third column to get total population and total live births. So if we add the second column, we get 2 lakh. If we add the third column, we get 5,000. Next formula, CBR is equal to B by P into 1000. That is, CBR is equal to 5,000 divided by 2 lakh into 1000. After simplifying, we will get answer 25. Next, we shall go to the sixth problem. Calculate general fertility rate for the following data. Three columns are given: ages, number of women, number of live births. Ages, quinquennial ages are given: 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49. Number of women, number of live births to the corresponding ages are given. To calculate GFR, general fertility rate, we require two items, that is total live births and total women population of childbearing age. So if we add the third column, we get total live births. If we add this third column, we get 7,200. If we add second column, you get female population of childbearing. So here quinquennial ages are given. That is childbearing ages are given. Therefore, if you add the second column, you will get childbearing women of childbearing age, that is 1 lakh. Now formula GFR is equal to B divided by summation FP 15 to 14 into 1000, that is equal to 7,200 divided by 1 lakh into 1000. If you simplify, you will get 72. This is GFR. Now the seventh problem. Calculate CBR and GFR for the following data. Here 4 columns are given. Age, male population, female population, live births. Here the full ages are given. 0 to 50 and above are given. 0 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 and above. The corresponding population, male and female population and live births are given. We have to calculate CBR and GFR. To calculate CBR, we require total population and total live births. To calculate GFR, we require total live births and total women population of childbearing age. So to get total population, we have to add male population, second column to get male population. We have to add third column to get female population. And to get total labors, we have to add the fourth column. If you add the second column, you will get total male population. It is 67,206. If you add the third column, you will get female population, total female population 64,060. If you add the fourth column, you will get total labors. Next, total population is equal to male population plus female population. Male population 67,206 plus female population 64,060. If you add this male and female population, you will get total population 1,31,266. Now CBR is equal to B divided by P into 1000. 1868 divided by 1,31,266 into 1000. If you simplify, you will get 14.23. This is CBR. Now GFR is equal to B divided by summation FP 15 to 49 into 1000. B is equal to same value 1868. Then female population 15 to 49 means we have to add this population only from 15 to 49. This population we have to add. If you add this population, you will get 36,320. So this is the female population of childbearing age 15 to 49. So 1868 divided by 36,320 into 1000. If you simplify, you will get 51.43. This is GFR. So like this, we can calculate CBR and GFR. In the next class, we shall work out the problems on ASFR and TFR. Thank you.